gotta make sure. Drink lots of water. Fill up the glass. Can you stop? No! Nah, ya koi. Hey! Water! Oh my god, good morning, Katay! How you doing? Good morning, Katay! Here you go, Katay, I got something for you. Katay! Here you go. Oh my god, Katay, you're going crazy! Hey, y'all know what's good. Oh, look at that. We got all the recipes on the freaking cupboards. Look at here. We got the ginger citrus chicken lettuce wraps. Who might cook dinner for tonight, you know what I'm saying? And next we got the, what is that? The Hawaiian luau pizza. Luau, is it plain? I'm not. And then next we got the pampered chef. Bring a friend outside, order and get a gift. Next we got the microwave caramel peanut butter brownies. OMG fact of the day is for Tuesday, June 18th. The pound symbol is also called an octothrope. A what? But it is the morning. I gotta get my coffee game on, so we're going in the little magic cupboard right here. Oh yeah, by the way guys, fun fact, I played for the Toronto Maple Leafs when I was a little baby. You see that? Played for the Maple Leafs. I was that good. I could just play when I was about 4.5 years old. The brand new Winnie the Cup. Do you guys see how big it is? Yeah, it's a pretty big one if you know. What can you say into the mug? Wait, no, that wasn't enough. Gotta get me another scoop. Another scoop. Here we go. Ooh. Hold on, shut the music off. Let me try this real quick. Ah, shit! Hot! Just little sips, but it's freaking hot! I drank all the coffee! It's gone! Yeah. What a beautiful day. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video vlog day. How's everybody doing today? If you guys are new here, well, my name is Chris Abate and welcome to my channel, man. I need you guys right now. Hey, you hear those birds? They're telling you to subscribe and smash that like button. So wait, hell no, I don't. Oh, no. Guys, it's tick season right now, so like, I parked the car like kind of right where the bushes are, in the shade, just kind of a little bit in the shade. It's a big open wide space, so you know, no big deal. But anyways, I've never done this before. I'm gonna be doing a beach workout. I've wanted to do this for a long time now. I mean, I don't really see too many people coming to the beach at this time and training, so why not take advantage of that and actually come to the beach and do some interval training. Oh, it's beautiful out here, guys. It's actually like one of the first of many sunny days that we have not had so far this year. Like, we've had like no sunny days at all. So yeah, the view is really nice. It's very beautiful. I found actually a really good spot right here to do some sprints. Really nice spot to start from also. See where those logs are? So yeah, it's a really nice area, really good spot. Actually, it's perfect. It's gonna be kind of awkward to put the camera. Like, I don't really know exactly. You know, I invest money in a camera. I don't even have a freaking tripod. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be warming up, doing some shadow boxing. Yesterday's boxing workout was insane. I trained the class. I love training the class, man. Love motivating everybody and love seeing people smile and improving. But I'm going to be doing some sand interval sprints. So I'm basically going to start from right here. Oh yeah, bare feet, man, bare feet. You know how it is. No shoes. Sprint to the end, probably where that log, you guys see that log right there? So I'm gonna sprint to where that log is. I'm gonna see how many I can do. I'm not going for a certain standard of numbers. I'm just gonna do as many as I can do. Again, this is the first time doing an actual workout on the beach. So I'm very excited, very beautiful, as I keep saying. And yeah, it's a good day, man. Let's get this started. Sand hurts. It really hurts. Maybe I should have worn shoes. I gotta stop being a baby. It's hot. Like sand's hot, and there's like tons of rocks. So yeah. Oh yeah, Rocky. I give this workout mad props, man. So much harder than track work. So much harder. The sand gives it like, because your feet get stuck in the ground, so it gives it so much more resistance. This is like the Rocky workout, man. Hell yeah. Yeah, next time I'm wearing shoes. Holy shit, is the freaking sand ever hot. Oh man. Okay, so now that I'm done doing long distance sprints, I'm gonna do like box sprints. So I set up like a little, not really anything special, but like it's kind of like a box I'm gonna be running in. So I'm gonna start from right here. I'm gonna sprint to about right there, sprint that way, sprint this way, sprint all the way back. And I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna say 5 to 8 times. So that 5 to 8 times, and then we'll call it a day. Whew. Oh yeah, those are some good sprints. I like these a lot. This is fun. I just have one downfall. It's just the shoes I need to start wearing, and these don't really do much because they keep falling off, but next time, man, next time. But this is a lot of fun. I highly recommend this, 100%. Whoa, look at that. What the heck? You guys see all them ducks? There's all kinds of duck action. What a good workout. I felt really good. I just think it would be a lot better. Definitely next time bring in my shoes, because like my freaking feet hurt. Like I had another workout planned for later. It was just gonna be some hill sprints or just go for like a run or something, but like I probably will still do it. Just the bottom of my feet, man, are on fire. Definitely next time bring in my running shoes, but right now, man, probably just gonna relax right on the beach. It's a beautiful day. I'm not with anybody, as you can see, like it's just me, but probably just gonna chill on the beach here for like an hour or so, just look out into the water, just think about life, everything in general. I never ever do this by myself. Literally, I'm usually always with somebody when I come to the beach. I've never actually been to the beach, just me, just kind of relaxing and chilling, but it actually feels really nice right after a good workout, and then later on do another workout. I've been down here hundreds of times, but never actually been just like came up these rocks and just kind of like chilled in this area. I'm gonna go up this rock, do some rock action. I don't know if they're stable, but that'd be some funny content if I fell. Whoa, there's tons of mosquitoes. No. Wait, there could be a lot of horse flies. Oh, this is nice, man. This is like the perfect spot. Bruh, are you kidding me?